Welcome to the Ingles table. We're John and Patty from Sweet Memories Cooking, and we're excited to welcome you here today and share our recipe for our zucchini fritters.
So good.
We've already been to Ingles, of course, and picked up these fantastic ingredients, and we're ready to go. Yep. So let's get started.
All right. Well, I've got everything laid out for you. I measured the ingredients.
Thank you.
So since we're talking about zucchini fritters, I guess you got to tell us more about the zucchini.
Got to start with zucchini, right? Okay. So what I have here is zucchini. It's about 2 cups that I've already grated. When you grate it, you can see how much water comes out of it, and so you actually grate it and you want to press down on it. So I'm just going to start with this. This is really like a chop and drop kind of a thing here. So that's like I said, that's about 2 cups of zucchini, I think. And all the other ingredients, you're just going to mix them all in here together, and then we're just going to fry them up for you.
Great. I got 2 eggs here. I'm just mixing together. All I'm doing is stirring them up. Make it easier when they dump in.
Well, in the meantime, and then you can. This is just a regular sweet onion. Then this is just a red bell pepper.
Right.
Of course, we have to have cheese. This is mozzarella cheese.
Well, that's great. Ready for the eggs?
Yeah, you can just throw them in.
All right. It's just 2 eggs mixed up.
Just 2 eggs. Okay.
And what else can I do?
Can I salt and pepper? You
do the Parmesan?
Yeah. So just a little regular and kosher salt. I just want to mix these ingredients in first, and then you can grate the garlic anytime.
I was going to ask you that. All right. We always grate the garlic because it releases the flavors a little bit differently, and you don't get a huge piece of garlic in your bite.
Okay, and I'm going to put this flour in.
All right. I'm going to turn this on. This is regular vegetable oil.
Okay, yes, that's
just once around the pan, you think?
So I just want to show you what this looks like. See, it's thick, but you can see that it's still moist. Kind of just press it down a little bit. Okay, turn it out.
Yeah, and see what she did? She turned it out onto her hand instead of right in the oil because that will spark back up.
Okay, so these are probably going to cook about maybe 3-4 minutes on a side. Resist the urge to touch them before you see the brown coming up on the sides.
We'll be right back when these are ready to turn.
Okay. Okay, we're back.
These are looking wonderful.
They look really great. All I did was stew them on one side, the first side, and you can see they get a nice color on them.
Great. Now when we serve these, we serve it sometimes with a little tomato sauce. A remoulade is good. Today we've got just some nice sour cream.
Okay, so
I'm going to put that on the side.
I'm just going to put these to drain a little bit on paper towel. And then as soon as I put these here, John, if you would grate some of the Parmesan on the top. Just to get a little bit of flavor on there.
Well, the heat's going to just melt the Parmesan just a little bit, and it's also makes it stick.
Yeah.
And that's it. I know you and your family are going to love this wonderful treat. I want to thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table. Make sure and enjoy the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes.
See you next time.
Ciao.